Excel overview. This lesson is about giving you an overview of Excel. Excel structure is made of two pieces, the ribbon and the sheet. Let's get started with the ribbon. This is an Excel worksheet. This is the ribbon and this is the sheet. The ribbon provides shortcuts to Excel commands. A command is an action that allows you to make something happen. This can, for example, be to insert a table, change the font size, or to change the color of a cell. Let's take a look at this practically. The ribbon may look crowded and hard to understand, and it's fine. It will become easier for you to navigate as you learn more. Most of the time, we tend to use these functionalities over and over again. The ribbon contains the tabs, the group, and commands. Let's explain the tab. The tab is a menu with subdivision sorted into groups. The tabs allow user to quickly navigate between options of menu, which display different group of functionality. This is the Home tab, this is the Insert tab, this is the Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View tab. As you keep learning, you would understand how to use all of these tabs. The ribbon also contains the group. Now, the group are sets of related commands. The group are separated by a thin vertical line. For example, in the Home tab, this is the font group. The font group contains the font type, contains the font size, and other things you can use to manipulate data. You can change the color, you can change the fill color. This is the Alignment tab. The Alignment tab contains tools you can use to manipulate your data, also to format your data. In the Insert tab, this is the Chart group. It contains different types of charts you can use to display your data. The ribbon also contains the commands. The commands are buttons that you can use to do actions. This is an example of command. Okay. As we go further into the course, you would see how to use all of these functionalities. You would also understand the difference between each of these groups, how to use them and apply them to your everyday job. Let's explain the sheet. We've explained the ribbon and how it works. We understand it has the tab, the group, and the command. Let's take a look at the sheet. The sheet is divided into two. It contains the rows and the column. There are 1,048,578 rows in Excel and 16,684 columns. The rows is a horizontal alignment of data, while the column is the vertical alignment. The rows runs from left to right, while the columns run from top to bottom. A sheet is a collection of cells where you keep and manipulate data. The rectangle boxes formed by the pattern are called cells. Values can be typed into the cells. We can type in numbers and letters. Let's take a look at this. This is the cell. The name of the cell is A1. Now let's type in numbers into the cell. Say, for example, 5 plus 5. Press the enter key and you have your answer. Let's type in letters into cell C1. Hello. Hello there. Press the enter key. Now you understand how the sheet works. Each Excel workbook can contain multiple worksheets. This is the workbook. Now this is the sheet. The workbook can contain multiple sheets. This is sheet 1. To add as many worksheets, click on the plus sign close to the sheet. Once you click on this plus sign, you see it, new sheet. Click on it and you have another sheet. You can navigate between each of these sheets and you can create as much as you want. Also, the sheets can be renamed. Say, for example, you don't want to use the sheet 1, sheet 2, or the sheet 3. You can simply right-click on the sheet name, click on rename. Let's do it again. You right-click on your mouse, you right-click, click on rename, and you give it a name. Say, for example, I want to name it example 1. The sheet name can contain letters. It can also contain numbers. Say, for example, I want to give this one 200. So try this out. Try and open a workbook and create as multiple sheets as you want to. Give it a name so you can have a better understanding how this works. If you have successfully done this, well, congratulations. You have been able to write a fixed Excel function and also manipulate a worksheet. In the next lesson, we'll look at Excel ranges and how further you can manipulate a worksheet.